How to reset Orbi Wi-Fi router. First, keep the Orbi powered on. Make sure the router is plugged in, the power LED is lit. Second, locate the reset hole. The reset hole is usually on the back or underneath the router or satellite. Look for reset. Step 3. Press and hold reset. Use a paper clip, a SIM tool, a pin or a toothpick. Hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. Wait until the power LED starts flashing amber or orange. Step 4. Wait for reboot. The Orbi will restart automatically. During the reboot, LEDs will change color, internet disconnects temporarily. All you need to do is wait for several minutes. Step 5. Configure the Orbi. After the reset, default Wi-Fi settings will return. The setup mode will activate. Use the Orbi app or the browser setup page. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.